Camera proceeding.
Okay. So, two angles are...
Wait, is it started?
But I don't know. Sure.
Okay, go on.
Hold on, I don't know where the pencil is. Okay. Two angles are complementary.
If they're very nice to each other.
Actually, if their sum equals 90 degrees. And supplementary when it equals 180.
Okay, when you talk, you're going to have to speak up because...
They can hear it.
When I watch your podcast...
Okay!
No, not like that. Go on.
Are you in charge? No, I'm in charge. I have a pen. You're going to take 90 and subtract 15. You get 75.
75 degrees.
180.
75.
180 minus 15 is 165. Don't forget your little circle. What?
There's a cheat sheet right here. You can just copy it.
Shut up. Then you're going to take... Oh, well, that's for complementary. That's for supplementary. Okay. And for this, you're going to take 90 minus 152. You get negative 62. That's okay. You can have negative. What are you doing? Stop it! You pay attention. 180 minus 152 equals 28 degrees. Here we go. You want to do the next one, Michael?
No.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Go on.
Okay. I don't know how to do this one.
Look on the paper right in front of you.
Pi over 2 minus pi over 6 equals 2 pi over 3. Pi minus pi over 6 equals 5 pi over 6.
Hey, Leah, could you explain to me why we use minus pi over 6 instead of...
You know, I would, but I think you'll understand it better if you figure it out for yourself.
Okay.
How about you explain it, Michael?
Well, for all those that don't know, you must find the hypotenuse of the triangle first. After doing which, you can find the degrees, which, minus the velocity, will end up giving you pi over 6.
Spider. Want to finish that?
No, I can't.
Keep it clean. We're all done.
That's what my mom says when I'm cleaning the bathroom.
Keep it clean.
Esteemed colleagues Hans and Franz neglected to tell you guys was that when you're trying to find complementary and supplementary angles, you need to make sure that if they start off in degrees, then you need to make sure your answer ends up in degrees. So here for each of these, your complementary angles are going to end up being here in degrees right here and here. And then if they start on radians, then they're going to be in radians to finish off. So how you get a 2/3 pi? Well, you have to get a common denominator here. So you're going to have to multiply this by 3 and this by 3. So you end up getting a 3 pi minus a 1 pi, which is 2 pi over 6. So you get a 2 pi yeah, something's wrong. Gee, Merry Christmas. These two hooligans. This should just be a 1 pi over 3, not a 2 pi. So you get 2 pi over 6, which reduces to a pi over 3. And then over here, you get a, multiply this by 3, multiply this by 3, and you get a 3 pi minus a 5 pi over 6, which is negative 2 pi over 6, which reduces to a negative pi over 3. Good thing I double checked their work.